So I saw this video going viral online, and I'm like, people probably watched it 100 times trying to figure out how she put that box braid on there because she did it so fast and so smooth. So I was like, let me do a video and break it down for you. Okay, I'm going to show you a few different ways, so make sure you watch to the end and don't forget to subscribe. Take a little piece and you loop it around one to form 3 strands. So I have 3 even strands in my hand, and this is how I'm going to grip it to attach it to the hair. So I'm grabbing it with like my thumb and my pointer. I'm really kind of grabbing the whole piece of natural hair. But when I reach under to grab the other piece, that's when I'm splitting the natural hair. So that's the part you kind of missed in the video. And I'm going to play it back in slow motion so you can see that that's the part that you kind of missed, because she actually splits the natural hair and it looks like she grabs the whole thing and start braiding it. But when you split it, that makes it more secure and that will keep it from sliding out. So I put the braid in, I'm just braiding it down a little bit, and I'm going to show you how it's not super tight and it moves around really easy when you do it like that. So here's the slow down clip. And as you see, when she grabs it with her thumb, she sticks her pointer finger right in between the natural hair and split it in half. So she'll get a more even braid. So here I'm just going to show you again. I have the looped around piece in the middle, but you can put any one of the strands in the middle. And I'm just going to grab the whole piece. And then when I'm reaching around, I'm just trying to show you guys slow, I'm going to take that natural hair right there and make sure I split it. That way the braid isn't bulky because you have so much hair in one piece. So splitting it makes it more even. So right here, I'm just showing you my method for doing box braids. And again, I still use the loop around method. So I have 3 even pieces. But as you can see, I lay that middle piece on top. And I'm still, when I reach under with my pointer finger to grab that side piece, I'm splitting that natural hair. So I like it this way because my hands just feel more comfortable because I cornrow this way. This is the way I set my hands when I braid to the scalp. So this is an easy way to do the box braid this way. The other way works well if you do your cornrows and use your thumbs to grab hair. Then that way would work really well. So this method would be for my pointer finger braiders, the other one for my thumb braiders. Thanks for watching.